So I found a nest, and I usually the plain color birds are the mother, and I think he's the father because he's been flying around my head. Usually he ignores me. Now he's quite vocal. And he flew right over my head and over the tree, and of course my battery had died, so I couldn't get a hold of him. They're trying to protect me. I'm not going to touch your nest, don't worry about it. But now I know how to get you on camera. Okay, I'll go over this way. Alright? Is that better? They're both chirping away like crazy. Here, let's go over this. I walked over this way before and then he came flying over my head. There he is. He's coming right at me. It's okay. I'm not going to touch your nest. Okay, he's getting aggressive, so I better get out of here. He's getting mad at me. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to take your nest. I just want... Now you know how to get them on camera. Go near their nest. It's about tactic. Yeah. Alright. Okay, I don't want to stress you out. It's alright. That's my little bird call I do every time I come down here. Okay, something else just answered me. There you go. See? Yeah, I know. Good thing I didn't have to run. Alright, you win. It's true, you can peck my head and my eyeballs out. Especially if I bother you, right? Okay, bye-bye.